Hi, this is the Sandcrest Large from the Outwell Active Collection. In the Active Collection we use our Outtex 3000 fabrics for a light and compact pack size. On these models we also have aluminium poles for a fast and easy setup and also for a lightweight and a compact pack size. The poles are attached with pole clips all the way around to make it very fast and very easy to set up these awnings. The Sandcrest Large is designed for vehicles like the Volkswagen T5, T6 series, the Mercedes V-Class Vito Marco Polo of the W447 generation, Ford Transit Custom and similar vehicles. The Sandcrest Large have a large front door and a large mesh window with a waterproof zip curtain behind it. You can have it completely open for ample views and ventilation, or close it up for protection from the elements. The front door can be rolled up like this for easy access and for full enjoyment of the views. The front door can also be used as a canopy, set up with the optional upright poles. When out in the weather that is less than ideal, you could also use the side door, this triangular panel, as a more sheltered entry. A unique feature of our Sandcrest Large is our vehicle attachment system that allows you easy access through the doors of your vehicle without having any guylines blocking the way. Inside the Sandcrest Large we have this internal mesh wall. It allows you to sleep, enjoying the fresh air, but still be protected from mosquitoes and other flying insects. It's zipped all the way around and attached to the vehicle's bumper with clips and straps. When the internal mesh wall is not needed, it can be rolled away and toggled up, ready for use whenever you want to use it. The Sandcrest Large is meant for active use, maybe even being set up multiple times during a day. It can be used to provide shelter when sleeping. It can be used for cooking, shelter cooking if you have a rear-mounted kitchen in your vehicle, and it can be used as a changing room when surfing or biking, when prepping your bike, your surfboard, etc. Another innovative feature of the Sandcrest Large is the ability to close the tailgate while the awning remains standing. That way you can lock your vehicle, take a bike ride, go for surfing or take a walk. When packed up, the Sandcrest Large is very compact and very easy to stow away.